Hello friends, welcome to Universe World YouTube channel. So the main topic here we're going to discuss is Java. From today onwards we are going to completely focus on Java itself because Java is playing a vital role in job market. So I'm going to teach Java from basics to advanced in these videos. For every video I'm going to post my notes in description where I'm going to provide a link so you can download the notes from there. For every video I'm going to update the same notes, so no need to worry. And I'm going to run all the programs in online mostly because every laptop does not support the Visual Studio or something. So online compiler is available in the Google itself, so we can easily run any of the code we want. Let's get into the day one video. So let's start the day one video with Java basic. What is Java? Who invented Java? Who developed Java? The first basic question you need to know that is Java is developed by James Gosling. Okay, I will mention the text box here because it was not present. James Gosling is a developer of Java. Okay, from now I'm going to highlight the points which are very important to remember for every interview round. Okay, Java is developed by James Gosling, which is developed by some microsystems. Okay, which is created in 1995. It is popular object-oriented programming language. It is object-oriented programming. For everything, we are going to create an object, and we are creating a class. Class is mandatory in Java. Remember that. In further, we are going to work with classes and objects carefully. So why we need to learn Java? What is the difference between the Python and Java? Everyone is tending to prefer only Python because Python has some inbuilt methods. So whereas coming in Java, we should write for everything we should write a logic. Okay. So as the company interviewers expecting that you need to develop a logic on your own self. Okay. So Python is only the thing which can save you for the initial rounds, but on your personal growth, Java is going to helpful in your daily life. Okay, like Java is very secure. uh, Example, if you are going with the Edico company, there you they are working on the bank applications, right? Okay, at the time of the bank applications we should use Java because it is very portable and security language. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, see here Java works on different platforms and it is independent. Remember the point, it is Java is an independent programming language. Wherever in any of the platform we can Java. It is open source and free. Okay, it is, so as initially mentioned that it is secure, fast and very powerful. And I also mentioned that it is very demand. Java is very demand in the current job market because everyone can write Python code by using some methods, but developing the logic is main important in this. One of the most important you should know before getting into the video is Java virtual machine. What is Java virtual machine? Okay, let me tell you. Java virtual machine is nothing but where we are going to run a code, and Java virtual machine will give you bytecode as output. So when you write the code is going to convert into bytecode. It produces bytecode as an output. Let me tell you how. Okay, let me give a brief example in this. When you write the code and we are saving with the extension with .java, it is mandatory to extend the name with .class name. Okay, what is this class name? That I will going to show in upcoming videos probably. Okay, then now just focus on this JVM. First we will write a code and we are going to compile with Java C. C is nothing but compilation. The compilation is nothing but when your code gets some error like syntax error or anything, it shoots the error and it will display that you have done some error here. So by reading that error, we are going to correct it. When Java C compiler successfully done, it going to produce in Java development kit, and that produces that bytecode as output. So this is going to happen in JVM. Basically Java basic syntax. So I'm going to show this theory later. Now I'm going to show what is syntax by using a compiler. So generally I'm going to prefer GDP at present, because after making a video how to install the Java from Oracle or something. So I'm going to make a video and I will upload that at the time of the execution. We will make sure that we use that platform. Okay, now right now I'm converting it into the Java platform. It is successfully completed. What is the basic syntax of Java programming? Okay, let me comment it first. We are going to use double slash for the commenting. Right now I'm showing you the Java basic syntax. Okay. What is Java basic? First, what we should have mainly class. Class is a keyword where we are going to define a class. What is, and class name should start with capital. Okay. Why capital? Let us discuss when it comes to the concepts of how to create a class, okay, in upcoming videos. First, initially you should have class and class name. Okay. Then we should open the brace and we should write public static void main, and we should write string of args. We can also write anything as you like. Next, the main thing is again you should open the brace and close the brace. If you want to print anything, we are going to print inside the body of the public static void main. That is to print test. This is the first you should know. This is a basic syntax. Okay, this is the basic syntax of the Java program. This should be mandatory thing you should write for every program. Class is must and should, and this public static void main is a must and should we should write. Okay. uh, if you want to print, we have how to print anything. You have to know this also statement system dot out dot, you can use print or println. I will tell what is the difference between print and println. Okay. Welcome, I want to print welcome. Okay, this is a code where we are executing right now. It will give an error because this is the uh, as this is a other platform I'm using. We should have that file name as main, only main class name. No other name is allowed. Okay, in this platform where I'm using, it is online GBD compiler where you should have only class name as main. It allows only main. Okay, when you run it, it print welcome. Okay, see here, where I'm going to here program is finished with code 0. Okay, has successfully program has been done. So let me explain what is this all here. We are doing this and we are going to comment it because it is an optional for the basic syntax. If you want to print, you should use system.out.println. Okay, what is this class? Class is a blueprint or template. Okay, remember this simply. Any interviewer question may ask what is class. Okay, just remember the thing what I'm saying here. Okay, class is a template or blueprint for creating an object. It is used for creation of an object. Okay, make a note of these points where you it is going to helpful in your interview round. Okay, then what is this main? Main is a class name. Okay, we are defining for example I told right how to save in other platforms, right? If you're using other platforms, then it should be saved by using main.java. Okay, main.java, it is a file saving name. Then public static void main. What is mean public static void main here? In deep, I'm not going to discuss anything because it is a first day one class. You will get confused when I discuss in deep. Okay. What is meant by public? Public is a access modifier where it it initially told that public means I'll tell you in Hindi. Public बोल तो for all, not in Hindi. Let me explain in English only. Public means it can access by any of the people. Public. Let me give an example for public. In a simple example, that a dog is public. What is mean by dog is public? Dog belongs to the all over the people who can access the dog. So dog is public. Example, one of the general example, as a student, in case of student, artist is public. If you have the pass, any of the people can use the pass freely. If you want to take a ticket by putting an amount, it is also not a problem. RTC is a public service. Okay, public can use, any of the children, any of the age people can use the RTC. Like in this way, public is known as uh, for all. Static. What is meant by static? Static is a keyword. Remember, static is a keyword. So one more thing I want to tell is here public means, in case of Java, public means visible to all. It will visible to all. Okay, I'm simplifying the term. Static. Now discussing about the static, right? Static is a keyword where it is a method. Static. For every method, we should, if you want to access a method, we should create an object. But whereas in static methods, we can't create any objects. We can directly access the elements which are present in static. Then what is meant by void? Void is nothing but it does not have any return type. Okay. Main. Main is nothing but when the Java sees the main here, it automatically starts the code execution. String address. It is nothing but command line argument. Okay. Then I'm going to explain these two. What is system dot out dot println? System, where it can have the system class, it loads the program into system. When you use the dot out, it outs and get used to the print class. Print class stream will be present. It produces an output of the print class stream. Then the print stream will provide the output and it throws an output. Like first, see here, first it loads all the things in the system and it gives out to the print street classes where it is present here, and the print statement used to throw here the welcome. Okay, understand properly. Then one more thing, I already told you that I will tell the difference between print ln and print. What is this? What is the difference between both print and println? Let me tell you the difference in a clear way. So when you use the print statement, first I'll tell you about the print statement. It only prints the present thing in the brackets, and if you print the another thing in the same code, it will print besides the code of the output. Let me briefly tell you. So I'm using a two print statements. Okay, I think I can use the same statements outside the brace. Let me do one straight. See here, I am going to print two things. I think it is possible outside the brace. Okay, illegal type start type of Java ninth line. Let me start here. I can't. I think I can't run outside the brace. Okay, this is one thing you should know. So I'm cutting here. See here, I'm going to paste the same statement where it is using two prints. Let me see the output. What is the difference? We will know right now. See, it prints here besides one after one, like welcome, welcome. Now you will clearly know what is a println statements gives. See, I have typed here println and I'm running the code. It will go to the new line. See, the welcomes comes down. Before it is used to print welcome, welcome. But now, whereas it is going to print welcome, new line, welcome. The ln defines here. Make a note the clear that ln is nothing but new line character. Okay, new line. It will after the printing of the ln statement, print ln welcome, the new it will goes to the new line. Okay, don't forget to use println whenever it required. Okay, this is the main difference between the print and println. Okay, let's get into the notes what I have prepared. So here I have prepared basic syntax code, where we have class, where we have public here, public static void main. Every word has been explained in a proper way, so you can refer the notes clearly here. What is in my string of figures and system dot println. I have uh, divided into separated parts. System is one part, out is one part, println is one part. So here the basic code hello world he has given. I have shown you welcome code because your the day1 welcomes to the day1 class. This is how we are going to perform Java basic syntax. Okay, so as I told, class is a blueprint or template main thing for creating on objects. It is also a keyword declared class in Java as usual. And public is a access modifier which can which can have the visibility option. Okay, it can visible to all. Static is a keyword and it is a method. If you define the method as a static, then there is no need to create any objects to invoke the static method. Okay, void is a return type, where it does not return any value. It does not return any value. Okay, remember these points are very important when it comes to your interview round. Okay, string of hours is a command line argument. We'll discuss in coming session. uh, System.out.println is nothing but system is a predefined class that provides system resources. Let me highlight this point. It is a predefined class in Java, and out is nothing but it is a out is an object of print stream class which is used to send data from standard output stream, and println is nothing but print stream class that used to print the text with a new line output. Okay, this is where you will know how to run Java program. This is the first day one video, and I'm going to provide these notes. I'm going to erase all this. I'll not save these highlighted points because everyone has their own highlighting points, so I'm not going to highlight any of these points. And one more thing, I'm going to upload my videos in the description below the video. You can copy the notes from there if you want, and don't forget to like, subscribe. Okay, uh, I will make daily one video, and I'm going to upload videos soon. So remember, you should click on bell button to listen my videos continuously. When I'm going to upload, you will get a pop-up that I have uploaded a video. By that you can understand that you can have the consistency in class. And not only this, we are going to have a programming class. If it is possible, 1 hour I will provide you 1 hour video link that is doing the programming class. In that 1 hour, I'm going to cover nearly 5 to 10 basic program. From basic to advanced, what is prime number, what is even odd number. From basic to advanced, we are going to clear all the codes. Okay, because I am a Python coder. It takes time to shift for the Java, so I should know everything. What is so? I'm also new to the Java, so you can learn from here.